2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, compass, tachometer, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.